When severe weather hits, we usually think inside is the safest place to be, right? But when a round of thunderstorms moved across Hampton roads last Thursday, a Portsmouth teen learned that's not always the case. 10 on your side's Deanna Bettineschi is joining us now. Deanna, she was struck by lightning while in the shower.
She was. She said she jumped in the shower to wash her hair, and then all of a sudden her body just started burning. So she jumped out of the shower and ran to go get her mom.
All of a sudden I just get this burning, just my body burning, like my skin is burning, like someone just dumped hot water, like burning on me.
That's 14-year-old Cheyenne Headley. She showed us these pictures of her red and swollen face as she recounted the terrifying experience she went through last week. Her mother, Wendy Johnson, heard her yell out in pain.
I was on the phone with Cheyenne's boyfriend's mom, and we were, just having a normal conversation. And both of us said at the same time, that was a big lightning strike.
Johnson says her daughter's body continued to get red.
You could actually pull your hand a good distance from her ear and her face and still feel the heat.
So she rushed Cheyenne to the hospital where they did a few tests. They diagnosed her with a lightning injury, and she left with redness, swelling, and bruising around her eyes. She also had what she thinks is a burn mark on one of her nails.
My mom always warned us, don't shower when it's lightning outside. And I was like, yeah, okay, whatever, I've always done dishes, not a problem. And now I can say it's not a myth.
Chief Meteorologist Don Slater says on the roof of any house, there's a metal exhaust pipe, and that was likely struck.
So if lightning strikes the roof of the house, it can hit that metal, travel through the piping, through the water even, because water is a conductor of electricity, and strike someone taking a shower, washing their hands.
Cheyenne just wanted to wash her hair. Now she's left with a few marks, a new nickname,
My little lightning bug,
and one important message to tell her friends.
Don't shower when it's thundering and lightning.
Friday, Cheyenne said she was just really tired and slept all day, but today she's feeling much better. Deanna Bettineschi, 10 on your side.